What is up, you guys? Here is another Liz in the Raw moment. Check out my bed. It's not made for video today. The lamps aren't on. The candle is not lit. Your girl is off to Walmart, as you probably already know by the title and thumbnail of this video. So we are going to go over to Walmart. Yes, that's pending clothes. Some you may have seen. It's all my stuff for all my house, you guys. Yes, it's a necessary part of all of this. But anyway, oh, and check out my gray. But watch on Wednesday for an after. I already filmed my Walmart Wednesday, and I used my Root Touch-Up Spray for Wednesday's video. So this is when I don't use it, and then on Wednesday you'll see when I use it much, much better, and I'm linking it on Wednesday. So pay attention to that on Wednesday for Walmart Wednesday. Now today is Monday for you guys. It's not Walmart Wednesday, but you're getting Walmart because they have so much stuff, and I'm getting like almost anxious. I'm like, I can't bring it all to them. I need to do it. So rather than doing some online ordering and waiting, which I'm gonna do every week, as you know, Walmart Wednesday is here every week, but I figured we'd go to the store together, check it all out together, or some of it at least, right? And get a jump on all of this stuff. You guys, the holidays are a-coming. Today's Halloween. Happy Halloween, everyone. And you know what that means. Christmas songs, cookies, decorations, sales, etc. from now until December 25th. Whether you like it or not, it is here. In fact, I think the Hallmark Channel already started their movies. Do you think I have time to watch TV? I would love to, but no, never. Never, ever, ever. I get in that bed. You can see I've already been in my little spot over there with my neck roll up top. You guys, Liz in the wild right there, okay? But I'm always sitting there on my phone, planning videos, ordering for videos, editing videos, and all that stuff, so I don't get a chance to watch TV. But anyway, you guys, enough of that. Me and my weird habits in this bedroom. Let's go to Walmart. All right, guys, we are in Walmart. Check out this really cute Avia zip-up athletic jacket. It comes in 3 colors. I like the off-white, of course. You guys know I love my neutrals. It does come in black as well. And that cute, it's almost a sage green color, I want to say. And these are $25.98. We have just arrived, by the way, so get excited. A shopping trip to Walmart is not complete without stopping at the earring mall, you guys. Look at these. I have these and I love them. They're $3.88. I will see if I can link them. I've been having better luck linking the time and true. These are really cute earrings than I used to. In some cases I can, look how cute these are, you guys. Link them for you. $3.88. Honestly, you cannot beat the price of earrings at Walmart. I do have these, so I for sure can link these for you guys. All right, what do you guys think of this bracelet? Every time I come here, I debate getting it. It's really cute, it's chunky, it's gold, and what I love about it is it's actually stretchy, so you don't have to do a clasp or anything. $5.88, I'll make sure I link it below. You guys know I love easy to put on bracelets. I'm not into trying to fumble with one on my own in the morning when I'm trying to get out of the house. So I'll make sure I link this stretchy one for you. I don't know if you guys remember, but I showed Reebok leggings, and I absolutely love them. In fact, they look just like this, except they say Reebok down the side. These do not say that. They're $25 though. They come in that really cute camo, the lighter camo, and of course, everyone's fave, just the plain black. But they're really awesome. I'm here to tell you Reebok athletic wear is fantastic. I wash them constantly. In fact, they're my favorite right now. And I wear them all the time and they wash up great. You cannot beat them for $25. And they have just the right amount of compression in them. I promise you. Link below. All right, you guys, if you're like me and you like to walk even in the colder weather, you need something a little warmer, but you don't necessarily want your big old winter jacket, this right here would be perfect. It's a half zip by Avia. It's $23.98. It comes in this mauve color, this periwinkle, and of course, your girl would get the black. You know how I am. But it's really nice, and I love that it is a little warmer than just your basic nylon jacket. You're gonna get more use out of it in the winter time, for sure. Have you guys checked out the Love and Sports line in Walmart? They really do have really cute things. Look at this little sleeveless tank to work out in. Love that. Let's see how much it is. This one is $15. I think that's really cute. I also just saw that they have biker shorts. If you guys take spin class and stuff like that, I know most people like to wear biker shorts. For sure, these are $22, and I could tell by the feel they're nice and stiff. They'd have good compression for sure. Okay, continuing on with the Love and Sports. Look at these sports bras. You guys know I love this color. Maybe you don't. I don't know why I thought you would. Let's see, is there a price? These are $20. They also have a really pretty, it looks like a muted gray sort of in the back. But check out these pants, you guys. If you guys are into super cool colors, these are $28. They also just have like a gray, black, and that bright green pair as well. I think they're so cute. I'll make sure I link those as well. Loving this sweatshirt. It's just plain gray with nice gold where it says Love and Sports, which I think is a cute little name for a company for sure. And you guys, look how cute these shorts are. That would make a great gift, to be honest. Let's check this out together. You can do the shirt with the shorts. But I don't know about you, my teenage girls love to wear sweatshirts or hoodies with shorts to kind of lounge around the house. So that would make a really cute gift set. Time and True has new sweaters out. I love this color black gray, of course, with all these neutrals. You've got the off-white, tan, gray, and darker gray with a little mock turtleneck. It's really cute, nice and light, not too long. It would probably be cropped. Let's see what size this one is. That's in a medium, so that gives you an idea of the size on that. That's a really cute sweater. You guys know I'm not a huge fan of sweaters, but I do think that one is cute. And it also comes in a green colorway as well. And these are, I believe they're $19. They are actually $17.98, which is a decent price. All right, you guys, I stopped off to the side to show you all these really cute cardigans. I kind of lined them up here. I love this leopard one here. Sorry. It comes with a belt. You can see it ties. You can cinch the waist in. It's by Time and True. This one is in a large. And I believe that they are all $24.98. That's the first one. Now I wanted to show you this buffalo plaid. Again, same design cardigan with the black belt. Love this for the holidays, you guys. I could see it paired with those black faux leather leggings. That would be absolutely adorable. And yes, $24.98. So I think it's all the same sweater. And lastly, I had to show you this really cute retro one. It reminded me of when I was little. You guys remember these sweaters? This is your retro moment right in store at Walmart. Time and True has this really soft sweater, but with this cute little pattern up at the top. And these are $19.98. Absolutely adorable. Okay, so if you guys are into the shackets, I think this one is adorable. I'm not a super huge fan of them, but I absolutely do love this one, especially since it is cropped. Love the color scheme on it. You're getting the purple, pink, and black and white. It's so cute. I love the buttons as well. And hopefully I can link these. I just tried to scan it and it was kind of not found, but check below. It'll be called the cropped Time and True shacket. And the price is fantastic, you guys. These are only $34.98. They're pretty thick too. I have shown you guys the red paper bag waist pants. I'll insert a picture. You guys love them. There is actually another pair coming on this Wednesday, so make sure you stay tuned for Walmart Wednesday this week. But they also come in just plain denim as a pair of jeans. So they're the exact same ones I just showed you in that picture, but for $26.98, and they're the paper bag waist again. And these are just in a regular denim. So I'll make sure those are linked for you guys as well. You guys know all things jogger are on trend right now. Walmart has a whole line of Time and True joggers. You can see all of these colors. They're awesome. You know, they look really cute with booties. I do love a good pair of joggers, $21.98. All right. I have to admit, here's another cute sweater. I'm saying that because you guys know I'm not a fan of sweaters, but this one is adorable with the ruffles. It's by Time and True. I love the metallic threading. And look at the sleeve, you guys. How cute is that sweater? This one is $18.98. Really cute for the holidays and really all throughout the winter. It's not too heavy, which I like. And that sleeve is just killing me. Guys, I feel so lucky because my store does have some of the Sofia Vergara line, and I absolutely love this winter jacket. I love the tall stand-up collar. It's kind of a velvet. Look at the sleeve. You could see those gorgeous buttons there. I love the details of all of her stuff with a cinched waist belt as well. So stinking cute, and you can tell that it's really and truly going to keep you warm, and you could look cute, which, you know, bonus. And I will make sure to link it below. $52 is the cost on that, but I'm telling you it is well worth it. By the way, I think I'm gonna end up stepping into the dressing room because there are so many cute things that you guys have to see, and I feel like showing them on is just a little different. So we might be going in the dressing room, much to my daughter's dismay. I showed you guys these joggers a couple weeks ago. Here they are in store. And then here is the little cardigan that you can also get that matches. And then of course the joggers are in that terracotta color as well. They're so cute. But look at these sweatshirts that you can get as well. They're kind of coordinating. So you see that they have the little quilting up on the very top there. And they come in those two same colors. I'm saying terracotta. I don't know. Would it be cognac, brown? Not sure. But there they are, and I will link those for you guys. So remember, it's the quilted joggers, the quilted cardigan, and then the little ruffled shirt with the quilted accents. I can't remember if I showed you guys these sort of cargo, I call them cargo, like pants, twill pants or whatever. But these are great. They come in this color as well as that color right there. And I'll link these for you. I think they do. Is that a gray pair also? Yeah. They come in gray as well. These are great for work if you're in like a casual, business casual type situation. Pair them with a sweater. I really, really like the gray actually. And some booties and you'll be all set. And they're nice and easy. No ironing, wash, lay flat probably, right? Hang them up right away and you are all set. And I think they're all season too, which is something I absolutely love. Guys, I'm over here in the shoes and I've never shown you just the plain basic booties that they sell for $19.98. They come in black and this brown color as well as this like taupe color. So I'll make sure to link those for you guys. They're really nice because they're a low heel, nice and comfy, you know, time and true. Always make sure to have that really cool cushioned footbed in there. These are so cute as well. I've not seen these yet. There's memory foam in there. These are the time and true hiker boots for $29.98. Those are adorable, you guys. They do come in brown as well. And of course, there's black. Now I have to say, I think this off-white color would be my favorite for sure. No Boundaries has all of their combat boots. They've got them in black. And again, I'm absolutely loving this off-white color. And the fact that it's a nice low heel. I think those are really, really cute. Madden NYC has the cutest lug sole boots or Chelsea boots. You can get them in that really cute embellished black with the rhinestones around the top, or in the plain tan, which is always nice. I like the nice low heel. Sometimes you guys know I have the taller heeled ones. These are both $40 and I'll make sure to link them below. All right, you guys, there's so much to tackle over here. I'm just gonna give you a really brief overview. Look how they have everything coordinating. I love that. Most of this decor is by holiday time. So for example, the deer are by holiday time, they're $24.98. And these are really cute little trees. Love these, $8.98. I'm sorry, not trees. They look like trees, but they're snowflakes. They have votive candle holders as well. Love these for $12.98. I'll have a whole separate section at the bottom of the description box with Christmas, and as much as I can, I will link. Love the gold star for the top of the tree, you guys. They have laid it all out. Look at this gorgeous gold garland. Absolutely love that. Obviously, that is 6 feet for $14.98. And what is this? Because you guys know, oh, these are just really cute pillows to go along with everything and the fur stockings. You guys, I can tell you that I have something similar from Pottery Barn. So these are great deals. I'm going to try and link as much of this as I can for you guys below. All right, I could not walk away. Look at this elk, you guys. How cool is that? I'll put my hand here to give you an idea of how tall it is. That is awesome. And by the way, I was able to find everything that I'm showing you and link it for you in the description box below. I'm so excited. You guys, I love the neutral. Of course, let me back up so you can get a really good look of this whole neutral line, you guys. As much as possible will be linked below. Maybe I'll come every week and focus on one different like decor style, because it is, look at down here, so overwhelming. So I'm definitely linking this stuff. Let's just walk through and see the other stuff. I cannot link everything. We're just gonna do an overview because you guys are here and probably thinking, let's see the other stuff. I know, I would be the same way. Here's some more cute stuff. You guys into the gnomes? I'm certainly not. I don't know why I said certainly. I'm not. don't know why. That's a cute little, it looks like a biblical saying. I just like the font and the neutral background. You guys, they have so much stuff. The stores are stocked. Right now is the time to get all of this. All right, so I'm only linking the neutral stuff I showed you at the beginning, and then we'll probably come back and do more of this. Okay, so I lied. I stopped in the little blush section. Do you guys remember my Christmas tree from last year? I'll have it up soon in my bedroom, and it's got all of these cute colors. Isn't this little wooden tree so cute? And the owl, and I love these little booties. So stinking cute, you guys. Okay, and now maybe I do like the gnomes because this one's blush colored. So adorable. All right, look at this guy. Is he not the cutest? He's missing a pupil, but we'll accept him. All right, you guys, I swear I'm stopping now. All right, you guys, I am sneaking out in the open with everyone. Who cares, right? But check out these Better Homes and Gardens. These are 2-wick candles. They're highly fragranced. They are like the premium. The jars are adorable. Look at the color. I'm sorry, the scents, the colors too. Candy cane and cream, noble fir pine, white mahogany pumpkin, patchouli and frost, snow cherry and macaroon. Smelled really good. I just smelled that one. Spiced cinnamon and pumpkin, and then blood orange and cinnamon. Love, love, love these candles for $13.87. I can definitely link these for you guys. All right, you guys, for the rest of the video, I'm just going to close it out by showing you all of the stuff I tried on. These are flare-leg jeans and a cute shirt by No Boundaries. I'll link them both below. Next up is Time and True, a cute prairie skirt and kind of a cropped black long sleeve shirt that's really, really cute. I'm loving that skirt, you guys. And I also have a No Boundaries set on. This was super soft. It had almost like a mock turtleneck top and flare leg pants. And yes, last but not least, I tried that sweater on for you. I told you I would. I love it. You guys know I'm weird about sweaters, but it was so, so soft. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did like it, please hit the thumbs up. It really helps out my channel and helps other people to find me. And if you've not already, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell for notification. I hope you all have a great 2 days, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, everyone.